This method will turn ordinary flip-flops into something special. Plain white flip-flops won't stand out on their own. With a few hair ties, you'll give them a completely new look. Choose your favorite colors. A mix of shades works great to add personality and style. Carefully wrap the hair ties around the straps, threading each one under the previous. Just like in the video. Do this neatly until both straps are completely covered in colorful ties. But that's not all. Now, starting at one end of the strap, thread one hair tie through the next. This is the key move that makes everything hold firmly together. At the end, tuck the last hair tie under the strap and pull it through an opening in the material. The result is amazing. Your flip-flops will turn into a stylish, eye-catching accessory. It's a perfect way to liven up kids' shoes, too. Add a touch of fun to your summer footwear.